Hello guys, welcome to another code. So for today's we are going to solve product of array except self. So basically I'm also doing this first time. Actually given an integer array nums, return an array no answer such that answer is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums of I. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to, you must write an algorithm that runs in big of one time and without using the division operation. Okay. So actually the questions is telling us what, that you are given an array that is 1 2 3 4, and we just have to get the product of all the elements. Okay, so except itself. Okay, except itself. So like for 1 2 3 4, for I is equal to 0, that is for 1 the answer should be 24. 2 into 3 into 4, the answer could be 24 and should be 24. And for I is equal to 1, that is 2, answer should be 12. Okay, 4 into 3 into 1. And for I is equal to 2, answer is 8. 4 into 2 8. And for I is equal to 3, answer is 3 into 6. Okay, so we got the answer 24, 12 and 8 and 6. So there's one more line that's saying without using the division operation. Actually it become very easy if we use the division operation, but it says that we do not have to use the division operation. Actually this question is going to get solved by prefix or suffix. Most of us knows actually what I'm talking about, but those who don't know, let me explain it to you. So basically let's say you are given an array 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you get the multiplication from the left side to the right side, you will get all the multiplication, like for 1 2 3 4, for 1 1 2 3, for 1 2, oh sorry, for 1 for 1 2, for 1 2 3, for 1 2 3 4, like this na? And for the from the right side to the left side, you get the multiplication like 4 4 3 2, 4 3 2 1, like this you will get the uh, s- uh, answer. Okay, so what we do is we just have to check like what in the array, what we can do in the array so that we can get the answer. Like now I've designed something so you can have a good look like how we are going to solve this question. So let's say uh, okay, so let's say I'm using two array, that is prefix and suffix. Okay, so for the array 1 2 3 4, this is going to be our, this is going to be our what, this is going to be our take wait a minute. Okay, so this is going to be our prefix array. Okay, 1 2 6 24. Okay, so 1 into 1, first we insert 1, then 1 into 2, that is 2, 1 into 2 into 3, that is going to 6, 1 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, that is going to be 24. Now for suffix we are going to insert from the right to left. Okay, you can do from the left to right, but for that the answer could get changed also, so you have to change in the if else condition word that we are going to use. Okay, so for 1 2 3 4, what could be the suffix array? It would be 4 from back if we are inserting, so 4 will get insert, then 4 into 3 12, then 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24, and then 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now tell me, if I is equal to 0, what could be the, what could be the answer? We need we know that answer is 24. So in both array, in these both array, this thing can be changed. Okay, okay, so in these both array, this is probably the right answer. Why? Because it's a, that 4 comes from where, that 4 comes from 4. Okay, and the 12 comes from 4 into 3, and the 24 comes from 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, so these three multiplication gave us 24. Okay, and we need that if I is equal to 0, we just need these three multiplication only. We don't need the first element. Okay, zeroth element, it is zeroth index element. So about 24 will be the answer, that is suffix of I plus 1 from here. Okay, now same for second case, that is I is equal to n minus 1. If I is equal, then same, see 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6, we don't need 4, so this will be our answer. Okay, 6 from left side. Now if these both cases doesn't go on with, then there is another case. Of course this is the most important case that we are going to solve. This is the case that if I is not equal to 0 and I is not equal to n minus 1, then what will happen? So we just simply take a situation where I is equal to 1, let's say. Now I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, what we can do, we just do what, we will just multiply prefix of I minus 1, that is I of 0, 1 into with its suffix I plus 1 into I plus 1. So where I is let's say 1, so 1 plus 1 would be 2. Okay, so 0 1 2 into 2. So from the first side to the right side, this by this thing our multiplication will go on. Okay, so let's say I is equal to 2, we need answer 8. Okay, how we get the answer? By multiplying 2 with the 4. Okay, this way we'll get the answer. Now if I is equal to 3, how will get the answer? I is equal, basically I is equal to 3 is n minus 1 only, so basically 24 will, we will handle the case by our own only. So that's why we are handling the case, because in the suffix it will just go out of the array. So this is how we are going to solve this question. Let's write this thing in our code. So int n is equal to nums dot size, and okay, so vector, we will create the answer in which we are going to insert. So answer of let's say n. Okay, we are going to create two array, that is one is prefix. Okay, let's name it prefix, and let's name it suffix. Okay, now for prefix let's insert something. For the prefix for prefix we'll insert prefix of 0. Okay, prefix of 0 would be nums of 0. Okay, prefix of 0 would be nums of 0, and suffix of n minus 1 will insert from the right side. So it would be nums of, what would be, it would be nums of n minus 1 only. No, so these two cases will get from there only. Now okay, so now what we have to do is we will just have to carry on with the loops. We will just create two loop and do our way. Okay, so we just handle the first zeroth case. Now we just go on from the first case. So let's say for int I is equal to 1, I less than n, and I plus plus, what we will do, we will just use prefix of I would be prefix of I minus 1 into nums of I. Okay, okay, let's just create another one, and here it would be n minus 2, because we handle the n minus 1 case, and I is greater than 0, and it would be I minus 1. Okay, so prefix of I is equal to I plus 1, here I plus 1. Okay, and it would be yeah, it is correct. Now let's say on let's say I'm going to solve the cases now. For int I is equal to 0, I less than, okay, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now what the first case is, if I is equal to 0. Okay, if I is equal to 0, we will just use our case, this case, that if I is equal to 0, answer would be suffix of I plus 1. Okay, answer would be suffix of I plus 1. So we just have to push back answer dot, or just use rather than doing this, we just do what, answer of I is equals to suffix of I plus 1. Okay, now else if there will be a condition, else if in which I is equal to n minus 1, this could be the another case. For this, answer of I is equals to prefix of n minus 2. Okay, now the last case, else. In else case, prefix of, no, answer of I would be prefix of what, into suffix of what, prefix of I minus 1 into suffix of I plus 1. Okay, okay, so this is the thing here. Now okay, so what we have to return is return Okay, so return answer. Can we run it? Is it all correct? Okay, so we are getting the wrong answer. Where is the mistake? So there is a mistake here. I just write it. I just have to write suffix of y. Such a little mistake. And there is one more thing we can do is actually we know that this will become by itself. This will become okay. So we just write it like this only. Yeah. We will submit it. Yeah, it's get submitted. Okay. Yeah, basically it just beats bytes less because most of here done this in big of one, and that's the follow-up question, and just comment me that answer, and well, the answer will be provided in the GitHub, so check it out. So this is for all. Thank you so much.